Hello guys, welcome to my authentic Korean cooking channel. If you're thinking about cooking Korean food or just starting out Korean food, this video will give you a quick idea of Korean cooking and help you to update your pantry. These are 5 essential ingredients in order to cook authentic Korean food. Plus, these are vegan ingredients, so these can cover everyone's diet. So, let me begin with the first ingredient, 된장. 된장 is made from fermented soy block called meju. It's darker and stronger than miso, but it's less sweet and very savory. 된장 can be used for making soup, jjigae, a seasoned vegetable side dish, and even sauce like samjang. If you went to Korean barbecue place, you may saw this sweet, savory sauce that perfectly goes with the meat and sam, which is of course Korean lettuce wrap. Next is 간장, Korean soy sauce. Unlike other soy sauce, Korean soy sauce is darker and intensely flavored. There are a few types of Korean soy sauce, but if you have these two, you will rock the Korean cooking. First is 진간장. It's the most common ingredient you will use in Korean cooking, like bulgogi, 찜닭, and many side dishes. It has a strong aroma and medium salt level, so it's perfect for making sauce, seasoning, and so much more. Next is 국간장, which is soy sauce for soup. It has a lighter aroma but saltier than 진간장, so like its name, it's perfect for making soup. Next up, sesame oil. It's vegetable oil derived from sesame seeds. In Korean cooking, it is used as a flavor enhancer because of its unique nutty aroma and flavor. But because it burns so quickly, we use it with lower heat or use it to finish up the dish at the end. Next up, gochujang. Red chili paste, one of the most trendy ingredients nowadays. It is sticky and thick condiments made of chili powder, rice, and so much more. It's savory and spicy, yet it has a sweet flavor that comes from sticky rice and barley malt. Gochujang can be used in so many kinds of dishes like 떡볶이, 제육볶음. If you like the flavor of gochujang but not a huge fan of it, there's a mild version of gochujang, same flavor, just lower heat. Check the front package, it'll say mild for less spicy version. Last but not least, Korean red chili powder, gochugaru. It simply cannot be replaced with chili powder or sauce from other countries when it comes to cooking authentic Korean food. It's made from sun-dried Korean chili and has a spicy and smoky flavor. Some people replace this with gochujang for some recipes like kimchi, but these two play different roles and give different flavors. While gochujang gives sweet, spicy, and savory flavor, gochugaru adds the spice level and colors. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you to give brief ideas about Korean ingredients. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a huge thumbs up for more delicious and easy Korean recipe. Stay tuned, more recipes are on their way. Bye!